Are you tired of dealing with thin, fragile hair that lacks volume and shine? What if a single conditioner could not only hydrate your hair but also stimulate growth and reduce breakage? ANZA Healing Nourish Stimulating Conditioner promises exactly that. A powerful blend designed to revive your hair and scalp from the roots up. I've seen firsthand how this conditioner changes the game. Struggling with dry, flaky scalp and lifeless hair, I was skeptical at first. But after incorporating ANZA into my routine, the difference was clear. The unique formula, enriched with coconut, papaya, and shiso mint, delivers deep moisture without weighing hair down. My scalp stopped itching, and my hair felt thicker and more vibrant within weeks. It's gentle yet effective, making it a solid choice for anyone facing scalp dryness or excessive oil buildup. What sets this product apart is its targeted approach. It not only nourishes and hydrates but also balances your scalp's natural oils, preventing future dryness and flakiness. If you've noticed your hair losing volume or your scalp feeling irritated, this conditioner offers a natural solution that supports healthy, fast-growing hair. Plus, it's easy to use. Just massage into damp hair and scalp, then rinse thoroughly. Avoiding eye contact is simple enough, and the results speak for themselves. If that's you, someone looking for a reliable way to boost hair thickness and scalp health, ANZA Healing Nourish Stimulating Conditioner is worth a look. It's crafted especially for unhealthy hair and scalp conditions, helping you regain confidence in your hair's appearance and feel. Try it when you're ready to see your hair transform with every wash.